Now let's take a look at how your online digital business card works on the smartphone. The business card app can be placed on the home screen just like other favorite apps. You or your friends can simply click on the app to access all the business card information and more. Your audience can make a phone call to you by simply clicking on your phone number, or write an email to you by clicking on your email address, or check out your website by clicking on your web address, or find out where your business is by clicking on your physical address information. This is what the traditional business card provides, but in a more convenient way. And you can give your audience centralized access to your social network profiles. With a click of the social network icon, people have easy access to your social networks. You can have your nice and quick overview to give people more information about who you are and what you do, etc. If you put your meeting book up link here, people can book a meeting with you within a couple of clicks right here. By placing a QR code inside your business card, anyone can easily get access to your business card by scanning the QR code with their cell phone. Blogging is one of the best ways to get your audience more interested in you and your business. Your audience can easily access your blog with a click right from your business card as well. Overall, we designed this more secure online digital business card template to give you and your business more exposure and increase the engagement with your audience at least 10 times more than the traditional business card. If you are interested to create your unique online digital business card for free forever, please click the link in the video description to get the free, more secure online digital business card template and build your online presence today. Within 30 minutes, your unique online digital business card can be up and running, help you grow your business, all for free and forever.